The World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland enters its third day with British Prime Minister Theresa May tells WEF that globalization must work for everyone and other important highlights. Luisa Kusnandar exclusively reports for Jakarta Globe. Luisa, what are the highlights from today's WEF agenda?
Well, Tasha, after the first few days, we've been focusing on Trump's protectionism and also about President Xi Jinping's first speech. Today, we actually have a shift of focus towards Britain and Brexit. The highlight of today's event is actually the special speech from the Prime Minister of Britain, which is Theresa May. In her speech, she said that Britain would stand up for free markets, free trade, and also globalization, and she would ensure that they work for everyone. And today is the fourth day of the World Economic Forum. Last night we had the Indonesian night where we had the chance to speak to a couple of the Indonesian ministers. We talked about globalization, and here's what they have to say about how we can live up to the challenge of globalization.
Di tengah situasi yang gloomy, maka yang diperlukan sekarang adalah network. Nah, di kalangan pengusaha sendiri pun mereka membentuk jaringan-jaringan baru dan juga memanfaatkan jaringan yang lama. Dan bagi kami pemerintah, kita bisa menangkap berbagai persoalan yang dihadapi dari dunia usaha.
How was the response of people attending the Indonesian night?
Well, Tasha, the Indonesian night was surprisingly a very successful event. We had invited 500 guests, but a lot more people came to the event. And it's not just Indonesians, obviously, it's people from all over the world, from all levels, from business executive to government officials. And a lot of them was very pleased to know more about Indonesia. They've never seen the tenun cloth. Some of them never heard about keroncong or the sasando music. So this was especially a new experience for them. And apart from that, on that night, they can also taste a lot of Indonesian cuisine. We had nasi kecombrang, nasi ijo, pisang goreng. So it was a really good night for everyone, not just Indonesian, but for everyone. And we also talked to one of the WEF participants during the night to see what he has to say about Indonesia Night and the World Economic Forum. Here's what he has to say.
What really impresses me about the WEF is that it really brings a lot of great minds together, starting from the business sector, of course, because it's the biggest part of the economy, but also the academics, the government, and actually have a proper conversation on the different problems that we are facing as in the world.
Yeah, what future agendas are we looking forward to, Luisa?
Well, apart from the Indonesia night, there's also one more event that is very highly anticipated, which is a session that is partnering up with Berita Satu tomorrow. The session is themed East Asian a community yet, and this will be moderated by Lipo Group's Executive Director, John Riyadi. Besides that, there will be some guest speakers speaking on the session, which is Mari Elka Pangestu, former Minister of Indonesia. There will also be CIMB Chairman Group Holdings, which is Nazir Razak. So this will be something that we are very looking forward to tomorrow before we officially close the event. The World Economic Forum will end tomorrow night.
Thank you, Luisa Kusnandar, for joining us live from Davos, Switzerland.